Let's start with the sub-assembly process. This is a one-time process. The boom base, spreader, and other parts installed will remain on the machine. This is the load moment indicator, or LMI. For sub-assembly, the LMI should be in setup mode. To do this, push the setup button on the LMI and hold it for 3 seconds. This will discontinue the alarm and allow all of the control functions to operate as the machine is being assembled. To install the boom base in the upper spreader assembly, an assist crane will be necessary. To help during erection, place the boom base and support box near the main machine. First, lift the boom base with the assist crane for installation. You'll need to clean the boom foot pins and bushings of any dirt or grime. Apply a coat of clean grease to the pins and bushings. Install the boom base using the shims provided to take up any excess side play as needed. Do not force the shims into place. Once the boom base is in place, remove the upper spreader assembly from the support box and place it on top of the gantry. For support, a wooden pallet is mounted on top of the gantry. Reeve the boom hoist cable through the upper and lower spreader. Follow the reeving diagram in the operator's and maintenance manual. Install the wedge socket on the dead end of the boom hoist wire rope and pin it to the gantry location. Using the assist crane, lift the spreader assembly. Pay out the boom hoist cable as needed in order for the upper spreader to be pinned to the boom base. This will leave approximately 3 wraps of cable on the boom drum. Now pin the spreader to the bracket mounted on the boom base section. You'll need to take up the slack in the boom hoist cable by rotating the drum. Make sure the boom hoist wire rope is tight on the drum and is lying properly. Connect the 2 harnesses from the boom base to the main machine. One is for the ATB system and the other is for the boom angle sensor. Make sure to allow enough slack in the cable for the booming operation. Install the angle meter to the right rear section of the boom base. Lift the boom until the LMI angle meter indicates 0, and then set the manual angle meter to 0. Work lights should be installed to the top of the cab and on the left side of the machine. You'll also need to install the mirrors on the bottom sides of the machine and inside the bottom base. Install the red backstop locks, which will be used later. The machine is supplied with a set of tools and 1 set of filters. These items should be placed in the storage compartment behind the cab. The operator's and maintenance manual, along with the laminated load chart, must be placed inside the operator's cab. Kobelco also provides a fire extinguisher that should also be kept inside the cab. This completes the sub-assembly of the machine. Please note that this is a one-time process. The machine will transport in this configuration. The total weight of the machine without the optional third drum is now 89,980 pounds. If the machine were equipped with a third drum, the total weight would be 94,240 pounds.